Alright, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be cleaning my wife's engine on our CRV. I've had a few people comment that this engine looks awful. The company Super Clean sent me a few different bottles of this Super Clean, so I'm going to try it out. And you can see, if you see how dirty my engine is, I do not like cleaning engines, so I'm not going to go crazy on this like a detailer would. So I bought a couple brushes. Like this one here's for wheels that I'm hoping it'll get down in some of the hard to reach spots. And I bought this brush, and I even got a little toothbrush, maybe a paintbrush, this small brush, and you may want some safety glasses, some gloves, and I'm going to use a shop vac first just to get some of the real loose dirt off, and you're going to need a hose. So hopefully this doesn't go too bad, because I really don't want to sit here for 3 hours cleaning this engine. And hopefully this stuff works. I'm going to put some of this stuff down in the description if you would like to check some of the comments of other people on it. All the research I've done on this already is supposed to work really good. Alright, I'm going to show you a close-up of how bad this looks. Before I get started, I am going to unhook my battery. That's another good thing to do if you decide to clean your engine. And this right here is my alternator. This right here, if you look on your car, you might be able to find that. There's probably a couple wires on it, and it's probably run off the belt. I may try to cover that up so I don't get a lot of water in that. If for some reason you have a Honda CRV and it's a 2013, it's a 10 millimeter. Make sure all your caps are on too. Stuff smells strong. Now I'm just going to let that soak in couple minutes. Start using my brushes. Holy crap. Now I'm going to try to dry some of this off and see how it looks. And if it covers your alternator up, don't forget to take that bag out. If you want to clean that a little bit by hand, you can. If you're watching this, Jason, I don't think you're going to hire me, but I'm happy with it. Looks a lot better than it did. All right, what do you think? Did it come out not too bad? This was about maybe a 30-minute engine clean. A lot cleaner than it was. Engine still fires up good. All right, that was super clean. Works pretty good. I guess you could sit there and be a lot more picky if you want, but it definitely turned out a lot better than it was in the beginning. So I'd have to say, yeah, I think this stuff works pretty good. Like I said, just make sure maybe you unhook your battery. Make sure all your caps are closed. You don't want to get that water or anything down inside them. Make sure I have a transmission fluid dipstick and my oil dipstick. They were both on good. And cover up your alternator so you don't get a bunch of water in that. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.